All right, so all these trades that I took today, this short in here on NQ, this long in here on NQ again, and then again this short, beautiful, beautiful short right there, and also this short in here. This is all a part of my pre-market plan. I make these plans every single day for my premium Discord. I mean, it is an absolute no-brainer. It's $2 a day. There's my NVIDIA crossing the 900 level that I marked before. So it's $2 a day to get these plans. It's an absolute no-brainer. I mean, I call everything on the market. I called the drop underneath here. I called the possible reversal at 51.80 all the way up to supply. And then we come close to supply again in here. Possible take profit between these two supplies were 52.30, which is right there in the middle. Possible reversal was 52.30 also. And then I called the exact same thing over here, breaking these lows. The reversal point again at 18,200, so you could have got long once we saw some buying pressure in here. All these points were reversal points. This was not a original reversal. This is just off the wedge intraday. I give intraday commentary along with it. I also noted a possible drop in this key area, like you're about to see here, for a nice trade and a big profit on the day. $4,300 on futures and about $610 on option contracts. All right, we are in short here. Let's see this go down. Nice, nice, nice. Keep it going. I don't want to support this here. I want to see a nice flush underneath. All right, so we have VX rising here a little bit. NQ and both ES. NQ and both ES fulfilled the ATR of the day, so I really think we should start to see some dumps. First take profit will be in here, and we'll start to move. I just have two cons here, so we'll see where we go. Gonna have some good profits on the day, so if we start to get into some drawdown, it's not going to bother me too much. Won't really mess with my emotions that much. So, I mean, I don't want to get there. I want to see a nice dump falling through right here now. ES holding this bottom. Same thing with NQ. Directly together. See, now getting in early instead of getting on this break over here gave me a nice cushion just in case we start to see a little bit of a retracement. Instead of stopping out, we'll get a nice move hopefully here. Stop is going to move. I'll keep the stop where it is for now. I'm pretty confident in this trade here. See, there's no real sellers at the top of this candle, which means they want to bring price back up to possibly bring it back down even more just to fill some more orders up here. So got some big orders on ES sitting up here, so hopefully we're moving up to fill that and then take the nice retracement back down. Like I said, I'm pretty confident in this trade, so I want to see the candle. If we end up wicking my stop loss, I need to see the candle close above my stop loss, not wick it. Big orders flashing both ways on ES now, on and off the bid and ask. Delta moved up significantly just to get it where it is now, so that means buyers are really trying and they might get exhausted here. Higher high, lower high, lower high, lower low, keep on going. So I'd like to see this come back down. I want to see this happen. We might support this old supply here. In theory, supply should then become somewhat of a support, but I think we're overstrung for today. Same thing, I want to see the same thing happen here. That's what I'm looking for. And then if we can, but I doubt it. Patience, everybody, patience and plan. Stick to the plan. Now, if I would have got out here, I would have simply re-entered right here, which would have gave me almost the same price. But I'm very, very confident in this with all the confluences I have to take this short. Again, confluences in your key area, biggest possible reward, least possible risk over here. All right, we are back. Some good orders sitting here on ES, so we might start to see a little retracement again. In theory now, since we came down, if we come up, we want to see this 18,400 become resistance now. VX still dormant a little bit, which I don't like. I want to see some raise in here. That's really it all to note. Apple at VWAP, Meta at VWAP, Google below. Let's see if Nvidia supports this 900 level. We're at 904 right now. 900 is very key for Nvidia. I'm gonna put a marker here, a little alert. Patience, patience, patience is a virtue. Trades like this always tend to work out. It's just sometimes you get in too early. It is what it is. We'll sit here and we will wait. We will watch some TikToks and Instagram Reels and we will wait. All right, we're not going to let our emotions get the best of us, seeing this triple bottom right here and pulling our contract short, because as soon as that happens, what always happens when you pull out early? The market dumps in your favor and you would have made a lot more. All right, perfect rejection. The one that I was looking for here just happened here. So let's see a nice dump now, with that being some resistance in there. My first possible cut will be at this level in here. If we start to see some buying, I'll cut a con there. But I really want to hold it to this level. One contract out here, and then if we can fall underneath the VWAP, that would be great to get another contract down there. All right, this is where I want to start to see some added selling pressure in here. Might get a small pull up. I see a order on ES flashing up here. About 2 points away on ES, so we might come back up to this level right here. Huge day for me already. Let's try to see if we can capitalize some more on this. It'd be very nice. Now, this is not greed trying to hold this trade. This is simply just sticking to my plan, sticking to my risk to reward. If I always cut here, I'd still be almost at a 2.5, which is still good, but I really like my trades to be at least over 3, 4. This one earlier today was 316. This one was 5 on my contracts, and then I hit option contracts this morning for almost a 6.6 risk to reward. Absolute no-brainer. ES trying to support this old supply, which in theory should become support. Like I said, you can see here, and then now 5 candles in here, but I think we dumped through here. VX still not rising, which I do not like, but we shall see how it goes. Nvidia wedging here, so if we end up coming back to a nice move up, I'll probably sell my contracts for break even. I'm not turning a, almost $2,000 winner into a loser. That is a no for me. If buyers soak this up, I might cut early up in here, just because we're starting to see some form of a base in here. If again this one wicks green, I'm cutting it. If not, we'll hold it all the way through. All right, ES hits this 52220 area. I'm going to cut one con up here, just because it might deem it as support.
Order filled.
All right, one con out there. There's that dump. Like I said, when you sell early, the dump happens right after, and that is absolutely crazy. All right, I'm out here.
Order filled.
I'll call it there. So my average was about in here. Almost a 3 risk to reward right there. Solid trade right there. Awesome. Very happy with that. Now it's obviously going to, hit VWAP and then come all the way down into here, but I'll take my win and I won't be greedy. Some people will get mad. I used to get mad too, but it's the market. It's as simple as that.